Yo YouTube, it's your boy Zabs, and guess what? Today we got a little bit more goodies. Just came in the mail, and I got this steering wheel trim from Charisma out in Star Island. Shout out to them for hooking it up. But yeah, today we're gonna be doing a little install video of me just doing it real quick, nothing crazy, and showing the before and after results. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, the first step in this process, you guys will have to disconnect your battery for the airbag to not blow up when you remove it, which I already did. So you can see right here, I got the battery disconnected. All you need is a 10 mil, and then put some rags over it so it doesn't contact the points, and you'll be good to remove your steering wheel or your airbag, and that will be step 2. Alright boys, after disconnecting the battery, you do want to head into the car. You should see a little indentation right about there. Kind of hard to see, but a little indentation. You want to get maybe a little pick tool and try to slice it open, and that's where you'll be able to release the spring. And there's one on this side and then one on the other side. So yeah, that's the next step. Okay boys, we're in the car right now. So yeah, you want to enter your screwdriver or whatnot into the hole, and then you should feel some resistance. Should slide in, and then it's a spring. So I already did it. I already popped both sides out. So here it is, but you can see it in there. I kind of missed it and this shot, but the spring is there, and all you have to do is press on that spring on both sides, and the airbag should pop out. And don't go pulling off the airbag yet, because you do have 2 connectors that you will have to pull off from here. Okay, I took off the connector, so it's just one. I said 2, but yeah, just to show you a better representation of what you're going to be sliding into, it's just right about there. See, the spring will move back and forth, so that will be you releasing it from each side. So there's one spring here, one spring there, and then just this connector. You can get like a pick tool or a little screwdriver, push down on the tab, and it should pop out. And there you go, airbag out. Time to remove this trim and the paddles. Alright guys, so the next step is to remove the paddles. So there's 2 connectors, these blue connectors. You will have to move them over, so isn't it a bad idea to take a picture of how they were tucked in before. But this is a good example of how it is. But yeah, move these over, then you will see a T20, kind of dark, but let me get my flashlight just to show you. And you do see there T20, so just that one T20, and then you should be able to remove the paddle. Okay, before we remove the Torx bit, you have to remove these connectors. So they were a little bit annoying to get to from the inside. A lot of people do them when the steering wheel is off, but they're plugged in like this, and you can just get a pick and then press in this side. You have to compress it, like push it in pretty much, and then it should slide off. It does take a lot of force. I had to use a needle nose just to help me grab it, because I didn't have good finger strength. So yeah, do that first, and then you'll be able to remove that Torx bit inside. So you got the screw out right here. Now you'll be able to take out the paddle. You gotta kind of fish in the connector. Here we go. Now we can replicate it on the side. Alright guys, so next step is to remove the silver trim. We got 3 bolts next to the paddles that were there. There's one there, and one on the bottom. There's like a tiny little hole in the back. You should be able to see it. Yeah, somewhere around there. But you unscrew those, loosen these top 3 clips, and then start pulling from the buttons here, and then there's one clip on top of the screw, and then it should pull out. I already got loose pretty much. The only thing that's holding is this bundle of wire pretty much. Let me see if I can get a light so I can show you guys better. So yeah, here you go. So there's a bundle wire that goes around the steering wheel, and you need to kind of disconnect that from the steering wheel, and then the trim should be able to pop off. Alright guys, so we removed the trim finally, and we're gonna have to remove the buttons and the heating button, and we're gonna have to transfer over onto this new one. So yeah, it's a small Torx bit. They're very tiny. It's like 7 or 5. So yeah, 7 fits. So yeah. Alright, we'll resume once we transfer everything over. Alright guys, transfer over the buttons. So there's 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and 2 for the heating steering wheel or heating button. So yeah, this is how it looks. Fitment is I would say like an 8 out of 10. On the LED buttons, it's a little, on the right side, a little off. Around the heating button, it's a little off too. So maybe like a 7 out of 10. Overall, happy with it. For the price, you can't beat it. So yeah, time to reinstall it on the wheel now. Alright guys, we finally installed the new faceplate or trim wheel, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, these little clips were giving me an issue. But yeah, once you tuck all the wiring all around and put all that stuff back, then you gotta install the 3 Torx bits, 3 Torx screws on the back side, one here, and one on the bottom. It's sitting pretty good, nice and firm. So time to reinstall the paddles now. Alright guys, it is a little dark now, but got the paddles reinstalled. So yeah, here it is. Got the cables nicely tucked in. So yeah, both sides. This one is supposed to go a little deeper, tucked in over there. This side has a little groove for it to even go in. Yeah, time to reinstall the airbag. And yeah, that's about it. There's gonna be one plug right there, and that will be it. Reconnect the battery and you're good to go. Alright guys, airbag is back in. Looking clean, very nice paddles. But yeah, I just wanted to keep this original, and yeah, let me know what you guys think, and would you guys do this, or would you guys just buy a new wheel? But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more content, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Peace.